Hello everyone, and thank you for coming to our open house in Altadena. I'm here with my friend and senior loan officer, Diana Cepeda with Movement Mortgage.
Hi everybody, I'm Diana Cepeda with Movement Mortgage. First, thank you for everybody who came to our open house. We met a lot of fantastic families.
Yes.
Some first-time home buyers that I'm very excited to help. If you are a first-time home buyer or a multiple property home buyer and you have some questions regarding what loan options are available for you, how much are your closing costs going to be, what your payment going to be like, if your down payment assistance, I can help answer those for you. So please give us a call.
Absolutely.
I would love to be of assistance. I've been doing loans for 15 years and can definitely help answer any of your questions.
Yes, she is definitely the best. As of now, we just closed the open house and she's already working on some of the paperwork for some of our potential clients. So definitely give her a call and I'll just do a quick tour of the house. Don't have too much time. I just want to show the backyard of this 3-bedroom. All right, bye Diana. Just want to show the backyard of this 3-bedroom, two bathroom house. So here it is, 6,900 square foot lot. Plenty of room for entertaining. And here we have Luna. Luna is supposed to be here. But my client gives her my client feeds her so that Luna will keep all the lizards and bugs and whatever away. Anyways, thank you for coming to our open house here in Altadena, listed at $650,000, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,032 square feet, 6,900 square foot lot. My name is Mauricio, your local agent. Talk to you soon.